Guys, how you all are? I hope you all are going to do well. I'm doing super duper well. Here's come the chapter number 1 of class 7 geography NCERT. I know our class 6 history is not completed yet, but I think according to me it's maybe a half yearly examination, and I think so we are ahead from half yearly examination. I will cover those chapter very soon, but first of all let's focus on class 7 because there is lot of demand for class 7 half yearly examination. In geography syllabus is just quite easy peasy. I will clear it in some 2 to 3 days if I be regular. First, chapter number 1, environment. Just forget all this. I will explain it. I'm just not go through the underlines. Okay, it's just for me to explain it. I'm gonna explain class 7 geography with more dynamically because this full class 7 geography is oriented towards environment. First of all, the basic definition of environment. Environment is our basic life support system. It provides the air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat and the land where we live. देखो इन्वायरमेंट कुछ नहीं है. इन्वायरमेंट जो हमें रहने को घर देता है, पीने को पानी, एंड द टू टेक अ ब्रीथ इट गिव अस एयर इन विच इट कंटेंट ऑक्सीजन, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, नाइट्रोजन, ऑर्गन एक्सेट्रा जिसके बारे में इन फॉर द चैप्टर्स इन क्लास 7 वी आर गोइंग टू रीड इट आउट. Okay, here, why is our environment changing? It's all because of our need. Environment, we can change environment according to our purpose. Now just listen. If we are staying in a place like desert, we will try to adapt the area. Just if I'm staying in desert, okay, I will try to add some cactus in that area. I will try to change the environment. What I will do is to just take a sand and do the constructional work. Just cut the trees with the other forested area, not of desert, because there is no vegetation, no much vegetation in desert, so we can't cut anything now. Okay. Components of environment. Now there is 3 component: natural, human made and human, individual, family, community, religion, educational, इकोनॉमी, पॉलिटिकल. ओके. फिर आता है हमारे नेचुरल, जैसे कि एयर, वाटर, लैंड, लिविंग थिंग्स. ह्यूमन में बिल्डिंग, पार्क, ब्रिजेस, रोड, इंडस्ट्री एंड मॉन्यूमेंट. अबाउट these component only our class 7 geography is based upon. Biotic and abiotic. Now, biotic is a living organism such as plant and animal which breathe, and then it also make food and eat that food. That is called biotic substance. And the abiotic materials are those who are non-living elements such as land, air, but they are part of environment. They should be part of environment. ऐसा नहीं है कि we are saying that sorry, environment is just a surrounding. It can be our classroom too, it can be our nature too. Don't go through environment just only nature. No, a area in which just imagine a situation. You are in a classroom surrounded by blackboard, your pen, pencil, books, teachers, friends. Now this is your environment in school. If you come to home, there is different environment. Those environment just different from each other, and इस दो environment में ही 2 component होता है, biotic and abiotic elements. Okay. Nature that surround any living organism is called environment. It is a combination of natural and human-made phenomena. Okay. Natural environment. Our natural environment is consists of a lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. First, lithosphere. It is the solid crust or the hard top layer of the earth. It is made up of rock and mineral and covered by a thin layer of soil. It is an irregular shaped surface with various landforms such as mountain, plateaus, plain, valley. Landform are found over the continent and also on the ocean floor. Okay. Lithosphere. देखो lithosphere is a area of land जहाँ पे लैंड प्रेजेंट है वहाँ पे एयर, लैंड में अब व्हाट वी विल थिंक दैट इट कंटेन्स सम एयर, इट कंटेन्स सम वाटर. नो, only single land, just like this. Here, this portion I'm gonna show you, because here I think so it's not clearly mentioned. Wait for a while. Here lithosphere, just only land. Here a hydrosphere, just only sea. यहाँ पे कोई लैंड आपको नहीं दिखेगा. ओके, हाइड्रोस्फीयर. ये रहा एटमोसफेयर, और इन तीनों को मिला के बनता है जहाँ पे सब रहते हैं, सब प्रेजेंट होते हैं, बायोस्फीयर. उसके बारे में अलग से मैं आपको इन द फर्दर वी विल एक्सप्लेन दैट, वी विल गो थ्रू दैट. हाइड्रोस्फीयर, डोमेन ऑफ वाटर, रेफर टू एज हाइड्रोस्फीयर. Atmosphere is the thin layer of air that surround the earth. Okay. अच्छा, ये atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere, I think I have explained you in class 6, chapter number 5, right? Biosphere. देखो वहाँ पे भी मैंने बताया, यहाँ पे भी बता रही हूँ सेम चीज़, बिकॉज इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. बायोस्फीयर इट्स just so you can see here, atmosphere, hydrosphere and land के बीच वाला जो ये ब्लू वाला एरिया पोर्शन आपको दिख रहा है ना, ये वाला, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज बायोस्फीयर. ओके, यहाँ पे होता है हमारा बायोस्फीयर का कॉन्सेप्ट कंप्लीट. लेट्स गो थ्रू व्हाट इज इकोसिस्टम. Ecosystem is a science that studies the relationship between the environment and people. ये मैंने आपको डेफिनेशन बता दिया, अब मैं बताती हूँ इकोसिस्टम होता क्या है. इकोसिस्टम इज नथिंग बट जस्ट इट इज अ सिस्टम formed by interaction of all living organisms with each other and with physical and chemical factor of the environment in which they live, all linked by transfer of energy and material. जैसे कि we are dependent on our teacher who will teach us. Teacher is dependent upon the book, मतलब dependent upon the knowledge उन्हें मिला उनके टीचर से. ये डिपेंडेंसी जो है, हम लोग जैसे लिखने के लिए पेन पे डिपेंडेंट है, पेपर पे डिपेंडेंट है, उसी को कहा जाता है इकोसिस्टम. नाउ लेट्स गो फर्दर एंड टॉक अबाउट ह्यूमन एनवायरनमेंट. ह्यूमन बीइंग जब इंटरेक्ट करते हैं हमारे एनवायरनमेंट को, और इंटरेक्ट करो ओके, बट इफ़ वी मॉडिफाई टू अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर नीड, टू फुलफिल आवर नीड, to make it, that environment is now called as human environment. Okay, the wheel was invented, surplus food was produced, barter system emerged, trade and started and commerce developed. Industrial revolution enabled large scale production because of we learned to grow crops, domestication animal and lead a settled life. Okay, a perfect balance is necessary between the natural and human environment. Human must learn to live and use their environment in a harmonious way. हारमोनियस का मतलब होता है कि आप अगर उसे यूज़ भी कर रहे हो, एक पीसफुली करो एंड इट डजेंट हार्म द इन्वायरमेंट, फर्दर जो जनरेशन है उसे भी वो यूज़ कर पाए. यहाँ पे होता है हमारा चैप्टर नंबर 1 ऑफ एनवायरमेंट कंप्लीटेड. If you feel any doubt here, you can comment onto it. I will clear your doubt in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.